for a little run around first?
I would be delighted to.
Yeah, the scope hasn't worked for a while for some reason. There isn't anyone in base and the ramp is not down. That's the only thing.
I'm sure they'll be back for their after their event.
Alright.
Yeah, it's only another 6 minutes.
So
we've had lots of people here.
Mm-hmm.
So we want to put it probably a little bit further away. But I reckon on the other side of this. Ooh, I actually have a good spot.
Alright.
I have a good spot. Follow me. Can you hear a flare?
No, it's an audio bug.
Oh. Well, you know there's the spot I normally hide shit in, but that's too open for a box of guns.
Mm.
So... this isn't where I was thinking, but I just wanted to check out... Fuck off, Gaylord. Just wanted to check out if there's anywhere we can like hide shit in here. That's probably check this. There is, however, a little building down the back here.
Yeah, some snipers in there. In boxes.
Now, I don't know...
A little adventure.
Oh.
Brain pause.
Thank you, Beach. It is down the back here. I don't know if this is going to be too far away though, because the other thing is...
Oh, good shot, bro. You ended up disappearing for me. I could not
These
see
are pretty cool places to hide things. You can actually put a box in here. Look.
No, behind here.
No one would ever think to go here because there's like nothing. There's no motivation to come here. Oh, corn. Actually, you know what?
Oh, I come in here all the time to get food, and they're often open. That's why I was thinking. There's no motivation to go behind there unless you're a cheater.
Yeah.
This isn't what I was thinking of though. It was over
Maybe you
here.
can build a box in here.
Yeah, we absolutely. No, I was thinking one of two areas. This area in here.
Oh, hang on.
Some like, yeah, up behind here, maybe, or like, probably not here. But where I was thinking.
If we do this, it also means that when we're out raiding, we can also set our spawns to the raiding base. And if we're being raided at the same time, at least we have guns to come back to and stuff.
Yeah, there's a couple of places you can glitch a box that's lootable into this. Here. See where the blueprint is?
Oh, hang on. Ooh.
Oh, good.
That's one spot. We could hide there.
It's also silver colored as well.
Yes, and you can paint it light grey.
We can do that.
Damn you, Grover.
Fuck, I hate the EKP, man, but I love that.
I don't know if we can still get up there.
Shoe store.
There is a way to get up here, and there's a roof thing.
What about in the sofa here?
Or the ultimate sneaky spot.
You little fuckhead, you.
I can't get back. Oh, there we go.
Can we build a lootable box here, Night Moves? In the sofa? Check this out. In this sofa, it looks like you can build a box.
Yes, that is also a really good spot.
Son.
This one here. This one down into the kitchen.
It's your city.
There's no sound on it.
Awesome.
So if we find the right
Fucking glitchy,
kitchen,
this one, eh?
if we find the right
You have
kitchen
30
with
seconds
closed
left.
cupboards, we could put one in there.
Is there any chance we can put a grub box on the opposite side? That's also in an area where we can climb up high.
You
Yeah,
have
what the
fuck
15
on
seconds
nade
left.
docking is?
10,
I was
9,
gonna sell the building, I
8,
think.
So
7,
this is a
six,
brick building.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Game over.
Yeah.
Man, Grubby kept
Like-
making. I didn't get a
With
carry
two
bottle.
buckets.
I only pulled